Teaching children about table manners will allow them to show respect and appreciation during meals. It's another wonderful time with Chelis Bokazin's YouTube channel, and we will be teaching about table manners. Table manners are important social skills that will come in handy as your children grow up. Let's get started with the top 5 table manners that will turn your children into dining experts. 1. Teach them to sit confidently. Encourage your children to sit up straight, keep their elbows off the table, and place the napkin on their laps while eating. A good posture while eating ensures one does not choke or get any form of discomfort while eating. Number 2. Teach them to wait until everyone is at the table. Patience is key. Teach your children to wait for everyone to be served before eating. It's a simple yet important gesture that shows your value and respect everyone. Teach them to make mealtime a shared experience by starting together. 3. Teach them to chew with mouth closed. While this may sound basic, but it makes a significant difference in ensuring no one feels irritated. It also creates a respectful and pleasant atmosphere. 4. Teach them to use utensils properly. This is a key skill your children need to master. It's all about mastering the art of knife and fork etiquette. Show them how the diner is set and what role each utensil plays. Number 5 tip. Teach them to say please and thank you. These are magic words that does loads of magic. Encourage your children to say please when asking for something and thank you when receiving. This makes them to be more polite and respectful. And that concludes our top 5 table manners for children. Feel free to drop any important table manners that wasn't briefed in this video. We would love to learn from you. Until next time, keep buying your books from Chelis Bokazi. Thanks for watching. Bye.